Welcome to the PyMCon web series. This is our Get to Know the Organizers, and I'm really excited here to have Fernando, who is our marketing lead. So Fernando, with you here, can you tell me a little bit about yourself?
Yeah. So first, I'm from Chile. I lived in the US for about 5 years, but I'm now back in my home country. So if you're ever in Santiago, that you can see in the background, let me know. I will be happy to meet for a coffee. To let you know a bit more about myself, my professional career has been mostly around how to use data and statistics for good. Currently, I'm the data manager for Veritas. It's a Y Combinator nonprofit whose mission is to eradicate poverty for coffee farmers. So we use data to understand the social, economic, and environmental issues in the coffee supply chains. I learned about Bayesian statistics in my master's. I fell in love with it after studying a lot of econometrics. So I saw the Bayesian statistics as a really practical way of doing statistics. So that's how I got into PyMC.
Awesome, Fernando. Thank you for that answer and about all the work you're doing with open source and in your current role. Could you tell me more about why you decided to work on PyMCon and what excites you the most about PyMCon?
What excites me the most is to have a space for like-minded people to talk about Bayesian statistics and PyMC. Personally, I would be very happy if people that have never presented before or that have little interaction with the PyMC community submit proposals, because in the end, this is a space for anyone to join and to share their knowledge. And I'm sure there's plenty of people that have done a lot of Bayesian statistics, maybe in their PhD or masters or anything, and haven't reached out much to the community. And this is a good space for that.
So now that you're in the community, that's great. But what got you first started in contributing to PyMC?
Yeah, contributing, I always felt a little bit of imposter syndrome about contributing, but then that's why I started with the PyMC notebook examples, and Oriol did a great job with those, and I think Ravin as well. So in some sense, I think that's a great to start. Just go to examples. There's always things to improve. You can even improve formatting and so on, and that way you can get started and do like a small code change, and that will give you the confidence.
And then with that, is there anything else you'd like these potential PyMCon attendees to know?
Yeah, sure. So if you're interested in contributing to PyMC and you don't know how, or you want to talk about Bayesian statistics or data for good, feel free to reach out. You can find me on Twitter or Mastodon. I will probably put my handle there in the comments, and happy to talk to you. Feel free to reach out.
Thank you, Fernando. And for you folks watching, at time of recording, we currently have our CFP open. It'll close right at the end of November 30th, I believe. But even if you're watching a little bit more in the future, PyMCon will be a running web series where we have events going on at regular intervals. So check out our website at pymccon.com and it will have all the information. And if you love all the styling, know that's all Fernando here, who got that all for us with the beautiful logos and colors and everything like that. So thank you folks for watching this PyMCon web series interview. We'll have a couple of more of these so you get to know the rest of the crew, and we really appreciate it.